Hello, friends. This is Dr. Simran Kaur. I am a physiotherapist, and today is a good occasion. We are celebrating World Physiotherapy Day, 8th September. That is World Physiotherapy Day. So today we thought of introducing some of the good things for general public, some neck exercises for sitting job people. I am a physiotherapist. I have been working in Sukhija Physiotherapy Clinic from about 11 years now. And we keep on doing some or the other attempts just to reduce the pain of others. Physiotherapist is a person who makes you functional. What is the use of the life if you are not functional? So the main motive of ours is to give you function, to make your life enjoyable, so that you can make the most of your life. Okay, and today's topic is sitting job. Hmm? So most of us are having sitting job these days due to the COVID. Many people are having online classes, online jobs, online sitting, all the way with the laptops. Presently, I'm also with a good laptop. Okay, so what problems do we face with the sitting job? Uh, just give me some answers. What problems do we face with the sitting job? Yes, one answer is neck pain, back pain, the commonest ones, vertigo, okay, numbness. So many problems are associated with sitting. So, today we will talk in this seminar about sedentary lifestyle. Why is it there? How we can prevent our sedentary lifestyle. Okay, what are the dangers of sitting? Is sitting job giving us some problems, or can we prevent those problems with some easy steps? And ergonomic advices, just a few exercises, how and measures and precautions, what which all things come in a combination will help us to reduce our pains and problems in the upcoming future. We'll be saved. So please watch this video till the end, and do subscribe this channel, and be with me. Okay, so I'm firstly telling you about myself. I have been working in this profession from long time. I have done chiropractic manipulation courses. I have done masters in cardiopulmonary health sciences. I have been studying all the time. Sometimes osteopathy, sometimes kinesiotaping, sometimes I am doing cupping, many more things related to the health. Okay, because my motive in life is to give you the best of health. Okay, and this is the reason which makes me always alive, because I am updating all the time. If we are updating our lives, okay, we are changing, we are learning something, so that will make us alive and beautiful. The life will be pleasant to all those people who keep on updating in their fields. See, if we go talk about any sitting jobs also, there are different kinds of languages coming up in computer language. Okay, some Python courses, some other courses. So people are just studying and updating. If we talk about the parlors, earlier it was the simple parlor, nobody was going. Now there are keratins, hair wash, hair spa, so many things are coming up. Similarly, in the sitting job also, we have to make some changes, because earlier it was a job of 9 to 5, and in which involved the lot many breaks, a tea break, a lunch break, a walk break, many more. But now you are sitting from 12 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours. So how, what precautions we need to make? We have to make some changes in our lifestyles to just make our life beautiful and healthy. You need to change somehow. Okay, just few steps which will make you easy in your life, because you cannot stop your work, you cannot quit your job, because this job is also associated with a beautiful lifestyle. You are earning well, you are in a posh life, you are living life for a good lifestyle. Earlier people were living life for money, but these days not for money, but for a standard of living. You have to have a sitting job. Okay, there are beautiful things associated with this job as well. A wonderful thing is that we have a nice room, AC is there, okay, pleasant chair, table, okay, we have different people working underneath with us, okay, we are in some top class people. So to be in the top, you have to give some time to your body as well, okay, to maintain the body so that you can live long and healthy life, right? So let me see who all are there presently in the sitting job. Please write the answers. And what problems do you think you are facing in the sitting job? Sedentary lifestyle. Hmm. Television, watching television, playing video games, this is also sitting job. This is sitting thing for the children these days, online classes for the children. And for IT professionals, computer jobs always involved sitting for long durations, okay, banking job needs sitting. So there are many things. Even if it's normal housewives who are at home, they are watching TV, always sitting on the bed, okay. So what changes we can make? There are so many changes. Despite we know that we need to walk, we need to move, but still we are following a sedentary lifestyle, a lazy thing. We are just using remotes, we are not getting up and switching off the AC. Okay, there are laziness is also a mother of invention, isn't it? We don't feel like putting off the AC, we go for a remote control for the television. Earlier, there were no remote controls. People were moving, people were walking from a village to a city. But these days, we have cars, we have aeroplanes. Okay, no, all the comfort zones are coming up with the sedentary lifestyle. Okay, so how can we change this? We need to see and check how can we change this. Okay, so first of all, I'll tell you about the problems associated with the sedentary lifestyle. Sedentary lifestyle, sometimes we're always sitting, not eating timely, which will lead to decrease in nutrition levels. Just who will go and get the thing from the market? I'll eat whatever is there in the fridge, okay, on the refrigerator, anything which is there, we can eat that. So you are eating stale food, you're not cooking sometimes, due to which the nutrition lack is there. The recently cooked thing will have more nutrition, and in case if it is a stale thing, it will lack some nutrition value. Sometimes we are neglecting all these facts because we are so tired, we don't find time for our own selves. And there is a weight gain as well. With the sedentary lifestyle, you're not moving much, which leads to accumulation of fat. And there are two types of cells in a body, good cells and bad cells, okay. When we are not moving, bad cells are promoted, fat collection is there, cholesterol is high. These all things are leading to obesity. Okay, another one more person is having a sitting job. Okay, see, in sitting job we have diabetes is also one of the thing which is being caused by sitting job. Diabetic patients, number of diabetic patients, it has been increased. Have you earlier? Did you know in your parenthood people didn't talked about diabetes too much. These days, everyone is interested. Mera blood sugar kitna hai? Hmm? Who all are getting their sugar checked each every now and then? So many of them. Okay, so why we are so serious about sugar levels? Because this is the thing which is associated with the lifestyle of today. That is sitting job style. Okay, blood pressure problems, heart problems. So how the heart problem is caused due to sitting? If person is sitting, the blood flow is reduced. Once the blood flow is reduced, it will lead to vasoconstriction. The arteries and everything will go into small and to shrink into the size. Okay, there is low blood flow, which is leading to high blood pressure. The reduced, if a pipe is big, thick pipe, the blood will flow easily. But if the pipe is diameter is reduced, it will go with lots of pressure. So similarly, we have increased blood pressure these days. Stressful lifestyle. Why people are having so much of stress? Sitting job involves too much of sitting, which leads to reduced functioning of brain, it's only confined to one thing. We are not doing there is stress all the time. Why the stress is there? The wrong posture is one of the cause. Okay, whenever we are sitting, we need to see that our shoulder levels are equal. We are taking the elbow support, but what happens? Generally people go in one direction, either left or right. Being a physiotherapist, I come across so many patients having left shoulder up and down like this. Okay, so why this is getting common? Because not sitting correctly, we are not taking full support. We are not taking elbow support, we are just bending on one side. The wrong sitting posture leading to kyphosis. Do you know what is kyphosis? Kyphosis is something forward head posture. If we go in a straight sitting, this is the center of the shoulder, and here should come the center of the ear. Ear should come in line with this. But generally, people go like this forward. Head is forward, like this. Okay, looking at the laptop, going forward. Forward head posture, what does it do? If your pipe is straight and bent, there is a difference. Have you ever gone for coconut water drinking a coconut water with a straw? Who all have done drinking with the straw? They all must know, if the straw is bent, nothing comes into the mouth. But if the straw is straight, you can sip the water. Okay, coconut water, you can drink the water. It's a one example. Similarly, if our spine is straight, our oxygen levels, body brain connection is strong. But if we are in a forward head posture, our straw is bent. That means our spinal cord brain connection is reduced, with which what happens is our first two vertebrae of cervical spine are forward, and rest of the cervical spine is backward, with which what happens? The connection to the nerves reduces. These are the nerves which give connection to the diaphragm muscle of breathing. The breathing muscles one is not working properly, which leads to what is breathlessness, anxiety, stress. Okay, one gets annoyed very soon. Negative thoughts. This person has come to say bad words to me. Why? Because neck is out of order. Okay, so get a treatment done from a physiotherapist. You need to go and see a physiotherapist for all the neck related problems, for all the muscular problems. Once have a checkup done, a physiotherapist can guide you well, that where the muscles are shortened, tight, inflamed. Okay, there is an anti-inflammatory treatment available with the physiotherapy. There is treatments for the numbness is available with the physiotherapy. Posture correction treatments are available with the physiotherapy. So you need to go and visit a good physiotherapist who can realign yourself. Okay, realign you, so that there is one more example I want to share with you. One person said that my air conditioner was not working well. I got a service done for that. Another person said that my house was not in a good condition. I got it painted and maintenance is needed for that. So don't you think we care about our houses, we care about our laptops, we care about our air conditioners, we care about the wheel balancing being done of the cars? Although these all things are not live, not working all the time. Your AC is not working 6 months. It's working only in the winter, summer seasons. Okay, in the winter season it's not working, but we are getting its service done. What about our body? Our body is always working. Whenever we are sleeping also, our body is working. Our heart is working, our brain is working. What about our body? Don't we need any maintenance? So why you think that if any pain will come, only then I'll visit a physiotherapist? You need to go to a physiotherapist for maintenance of your body, for elongation of your muscles. Okay, your posture is getting here and there. So don't you think your posture should be corrected? Just to correct that posture, to maintain your neck length, to maintain your height, you need to go and visit a physiotherapist. Okay, on the occasion of World Physiotherapy Day, I need to tell you about this all things which are recoverable with the physiotherapy. You can be more functional, more happy, more stress free, no depressions, okay, no antidepressants. Only if you visit a physiotherapist. A physiotherapist can guide you well which exercise should be done. Okay, in case of scoliotic patients are coming to me, like many patients come, I already mentioned, like with the shoulder up and down. Similarly, hip levels are also up and down. It's not in the same line. Okay, the belt area is one side belt is down, one side belt is up. It is not in the same line. What happens is because they're always like this on the phone, always one shoulder down, which leads to shrinkage of your muscles of one side and elongation of the muscles of other side. Then how can the exercises be same for left and right side? There is a difference where you need elongation, where you need contraction, where you need strengthening, where you need flexibility, where you need mobility. So everything can be guided in a good way if you visit a good physiotherapist. Okay, therefore I advise you, be on time, don't delay too much that you need to go for any surgeries. You can prevent surgeries, and even your time, precious time. Time is money, so why not to save it by visiting a physiotherapist regularly, at least once in 15 days, to get yourself reconnected. Okay, to get your relaxation therapy, to get your proper stretching exercises, to know what is good for your left side, what is good for your right side, because all the time it is not the same for both the sides. Generally we are practicing our own self sometimes exercises, but we don't care about the difference in left and right side. We are putting 2 kg dumbbells on left side, 2 kg dumbbells on right side, although our requirements are different. On sometimes we are using right side more. So there is a difference of requirements of exercise in left and right, which can be easily told to you, and if you visit a good physiotherapist. So we have one question. Ma'am, our body automatically goes into forward head posture while focusing on the screen. How to sit back in that case? Okay, very nice. One person has asked, we automatically go like this. How to prevent, like in the posture? To prevent the posture, first of all, you need to go just see your body. Always from our childhood to our adulthood, we are walking in front. Nobody is walking backside. Okay, so there is a stamina of muscles. Everyone after 30s, they want some neck massage. Oh my god, I want neck massage. Why is this so? Because your muscles have a particular strength level. Somebody have the strength level till 30s, somebody have the strength level till 40s, somebody have it till 50s. Okay, but everyone after 30 to 40 years of age is lethargic. Everyone wants some good massage therapy. Why? Because your stamina reduces, so you need to go for some exercises which focus on your back. Okay, upper back, lower back. The more the upper back mobility is there, the less is your load on the neck and the back. So how can you go for the upper back mobility? We'll guide you with the exercises in just upcoming some time. Just be with us till the end. I'll guide you with the exercises. But remember the one thing, that you need to go for some upper back strengthening, so that your shoulders are not going forward, but instead you are having a broad shoulder base. And secondly, there is a modification of the chair and table you need to have. Always take a arm rest so that your shoulders are broad enough and you are feeling relaxed. Just one side, feel the experience. One time, just feel the experience with one leg on the armrest, other is hanging. If other is hanging, it will be difficult on the hanging side and it will be easy on the armrest side, which will tell you your body that you need to have an armrest. So keep on doing with the armrest. Take a proper back support with the lumbar curve. See, our back is not totally straight like a bamboo spine. Okay, so our back is having curves. Our neck is having curve like this, then upper back, then lower back. So it is a curved spine. From neck it goes inwards, then upper back goes outwards, then lower back goes inwards again. So it is a S-shaped spine. So similarly, you need to go for some S-shaped support. Okay, which is coming out from the lower back lumbar area. The Your chair should go out, because at lumbar area our back is going inward. Okay, there is a hollow curve. To fill that hollow curve, your chair should be popping outside. So you need to have a chair which is supporting your spine. Your armrest is needed, a footrest is needed, so that whenever you are sitting in a relaxed manner, right? So we were talking about more problems associated. Another problem associated is hip weakness. All the time people come to me, one hip is getting fatty and other hip is getting weak and thin. Why is this difference coming up? God has given you equal sides, both the sides are equal, but we make it unequal by putting one side weight. Okay, to make it equal, you need to go for some strengthening exercises for your hip as well. What happens is there is a pelvis tilt. Our pelvis is a bone, hip bone, which tilts. Okay, if one side tilt is forward, one side tilt is backward, this will result in reduction in size of your gluteal muscles, and along with that, reduction in the size of your leg. It's a very small difference, but there is a difference which will reduce your balance as well. So uh, these weakness of the muscles is also one gift of sitting job, I should say. Okay, lack of nutrition, pains, sometimes neck pain because of forward head, sometimes back pain, sometimes lower back pain, sometimes anxiety, sometimes depression, headache, stress, because of lack of sleep or prolonged computer use giving you eyesight problems. I have heard like online classes has given in one survey. It was just published that online classes led to spectacles in the age of 3 to 5 years. Okay, so it is very less of age. Children are having spectacles. So, how to prevent spectacles? By going for eyesight exercises, okay, eyeball exercises. Our eyeball mobility is also needed. Even if you are using laptops for a longer duration, you need to go for eyeball exercises. Eyeball exercises is like mobility of the eyes in a constrained way. Just you have to be, whenever you want to go for any strengthening exercises, it has to be done for 10 seconds hold. Okay, hold time should be there, and repetitions of the same should be there for the similar time. Only then the body adapts to it and gains your strength. So if you are doing your eyeball exercise here, there, left, right, it's not giving you strength unless you are holding it. Go up, hold for 10 seconds, go in the normal 10 seconds, go one side 10 seconds, hold, and then to the center 10 seconds, down 10 seconds, hold, and then come to the center 10 seconds, hold. This is a one cycle. Mobility of the eyes with a 10-second hold. This has to be done by all the children, all the laptop users, all the sitting job people, so that their eyes are prevented. Or you can even add some lubricating eye drops every now and then, in case if you are sitting for too long hours with the laptops, you need to use some lubricants, you need to do for some exercises, you need to go for some uh, eye relaxation with the cucumber on the eyes, or you can go for a water in the eyes. Okay, sprinkle some water, go with the exercises of the eyes, relaxation, tapping in the eyes. Okay, just relaxation, sitting on the desk you can do this. Okay, so pains can be prevented with the proper exercise. Okay, and if little bit of mobility is there, even we can prevent accumulation of bad things, bad cells. Accumulation of bad cells lead to cancers in future. Okay, sitting job is becoming like smoking addiction. You cannot leave your laptop. Okay, you are stuck to so many things. I have to watch movie, I have to do office work, I have to do watch Netflix, I have to watch many more things. The computer games are there, so it is getting a addiction. I cannot leave my laptop. I can leave my friends, but I cannot leave my laptop. So just be social as well. Okay, if you are not social, just roaming around your laptops, all the people will be away from you, and the real happiness will be away from you. Okay, real happiness is with others, it's not with isolation. And isolation gives you depression, so prevent your isolation as well. Keep on moving yourself. Even when we are sitting for longer duration, the blood flow also reduces in our, especially in our legs, which leads to a lack of circulation, leading to varicose vein, blueness in your legs, isn't it? The veins pop out, numbness in your legs, commonly termed as sciatica. There's a compression of a nerve, sciatic nerve, which leads to numbness whole throughout your leg. It is sometimes because of back L4-5 area, and sometimes because of a piriformis hip muscle which is being compressed, and sometimes it is a numbness due to any other nerve compression we commonly term as sciatica. Okay, there is a difference between all the numbness, which can be cleared up if you visit a good physiotherapist and get your treatment done. Again, now we come to the main thing, one different thing, that is gynecological physiotherapy. Gyne physiotherapy is really important for sitting job ladies. Okay, these days females are having PCOD problems, PCOS problems, okay, rectocele, vaginismus, so many problems of the vaginal area. There is a urine incontinence problem coming up. Okay, but there is physiotherapy available for ladies as well. Lot much of role of a gynae physiotherapy for sitting job ladies. Okay, if you do some exercises, these all diseases can be prevented. Infertility can be prevented if you go for proper exercise therapy. Okay, your vertigo problems can be prevented. Sometimes there is a shocking pain in your head, headache is there, one feels like I'll fall down, vertigo is there because of the compression of the neck. One is always forward head, compression of the neck is there, inflammation is there. You are just holding 10 kgs extra on your head if your head is forward head. Okay, you can prevent that numbness, you can prevent. So these all things can be prevented with the good physiotherapy exercise session. You need to go for a good environment nearby you. You have to have a chair, you have to have a table, a footrest. You need to see which all things will be in a combination giving you good results. If you are always bending on one side for something, if I am having my printer suppose on right side, I'm always taking up things from right side, always taking up things from right side, it will make my right side go down and left side go up. So to prevent that, whenever you're going on the right, just go on the left. Okay, just equalize the action, even though you do not need to have any left side thing, but just go in a bending in the same manner. What else you can do while sitting? Hmm? There are many things which you can do. Like many times your neck muscles are under strain. So we come to some exercise session. Okay, what exercises what we can do while on our desk? On our desk, I can do is shoulder up, holding it for 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And slowly coming back to normal. Okay. Just take a break. After, there is a 20-20 rule. After 20 minutes, 20 seconds break. Okay. With the next exercise. Just go up, hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Okay. 10 seconds hold you can do, and then slowly come back. Or you can do one circle like this. Okay, yawning circles is a very nice exercise. You have to do it slowly. Just remember, if any exercise done slowly, body will grasp it as a strengthening. Okay, you do you remember your childhood days? I do remember it. My teacher used to write A. So many days I used to write A, and then we went to uh, B. So many times we write B. Then we come to words like bat, cat, mat. Do you know why this happens? Because our brain remembers only if we repeat it every day. Any way, pathway also. If I'm going from my house to my office, on the first day I'll need a Google Map. But on the 25th day, do we see a Google Map? We remember because of repeating it every day. So keep on repeating your exercises. You need to repeat this for at least 5 times at a time. You do 10 seconds hold and then relax every day, morning, afternoon, evening. You get yourself, take a some time break. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes break of exercise you do. Keep on doing this kind of exercise, hold and then relax. With the repetition, you will automatically remember this, and it will give you a relaxation as well. Shoulder muscles are the first one which is getting weak. Why? Because if gravity is always pulling everything down, isn't it? If you hold anything and you drop it, it will fall down. Why it fall down? Because of the gravity. Similarly, our whole arm is, every time gravity is pulling it down, who is holding it? This muscle. Okay, once this muscle is getting tired from holding your arm throughout your life, so what will happen? Neck pain. Okay, or there will be a compensation. Your neck will say, I have pain like this, so I'll go like this. Okay, this like this, I don't have any pain. So is it good to be on one side? No, because the functions are there in a chain. If one muscle is not working, other will do the action by getting you a deformity, or it will weakness of the neighboring muscles as well. So to prevent that, the deformities, you need to go for a proper examination and good physiotherapy exercise. Common general thing which I am doing is shoulder shrugs, holding it for 10 seconds and then coming back to normal. This is the first exercise you can do. Okay, another one is shoulder circles, slow circles like this, or you can substitute it with your arms up. Or every one of us yawn, isn't it? So yawning circles, take it up, hold it, stretch yourself up, slowly, slowly, slowly come down, 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 make a round circle, and then relax. Are you feeling relaxed after this? Just do it along with me. Just start. Take your hands up. Yes. Up. Yes. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Go out, 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 and slowly relax yourself. Ah, nice relaxation, isn't it? Very good. Keep on doing this kind of exercise at your office desk. Okay, don't mind of everyone looking at you. Just do it and make them follow you. Okay, you are different. You have to prevent your pains. And the third exercise, what we can do on the desk is upper back. I was talking about upper back, isn't it? Upper back is getting hunched. We are getting forward head posture. One person was also asking, I have forward head posture. I can't prevent it. So how it will be prevented? By a upper back use. How you will use it? By taking your arms backwards. Okay, elbow backward. Take your elbow back, hold it for a count of 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly coming back to normal. Again, take it back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then again coming back to normal. Again, do it with me. I want you to do. Start your exercises. Yes, we have to be active. No laziness. Okay, take it back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then slowly relax. So, this was your third gift from my side at World Physiotherapy Day. Okay, so there are three exercises till now we have learned: shoulder shrugs, yawning circles or normal circles, and third is the retraction or taking your elbows back, elbow press also we say, retraction also we say, upper back strengthening also we say, as per your comfort you can give the name. Okay, so what more changes we can do? On the desk? Just write down anything you want to say. Write down your questions. I'll answer it. Okay. You have a good time. You can ask anything. Okay. Next is numbness. Okay. Numbness is very common. I have patients saying to me that neck se leke, hand, everything, till from starting from the neck to the upper arm to the forearm. I have numbness, burning sensations. What to do for that? That also can be prevented. You know how? By stimulating your nerves. How to stimulate your nerves? There is a fourth exercise, for especially for the persons who are having numbness. It is stimulation of the nerves. Take your hands straight and take your wrist up. You will feel some stretching of the nerve, and go down. Take it up, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, hold it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Hold it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. So this is an exercise which will reduce your numbness. It will improve your nerve mobility, and you will feel less of tiredness all throughout your arms. Okay, and how to strengthen the arms is by another exercise called wall slides. How to do it? Just go near the wall, take it up, take it down, take it up, or you can take the support of your chair also. In this desk also I can do. Take it up, take it down, take full support, relax yourself, take it up, take it down, take it up, take it down. Keep on moving your ankles, your hip, or just weight shifting left and right like this, lifting your hips up in the air. Okay, and contracting your hips and relaxation at the hips. There are so many things you can do on the desk. You can do marching on the desk with one leg up, one leg down. You can do ankle circles, ankle up and down, left and right, hair circle and anti-clockwise circle. Okay, so there are so many things, movements, stretches at the desk which you can do. Okay, and there are few changes which you have to do is the screen should be totally in front of you. You can use a laptop adjuster so that it can be height can be increased. You can have an arm rest, proper foot rest, a proper chair support. Okay, these all things are small things which will make your lifestyle changes towards the good health. Besides all this, you need to have a thinking to be in a good posture. Always just have a look at yourself. Am I sitting straight? Am I on one side? Am I taking proper support while sitting? Am I doing the exercises? Half day has passed. How much of exercise have I done? You have to ask your mind, only then it will start working. You can take down different pathways so that you can park your car little far so that you walk. Instead of always using a lift, use a staircase. Okay, some exercise is needed. Take lunch somewhere far. Why always on the desk? Go walk for the some distance and have a lunch break over there. Okay, and some yoga exercise, fitness exercise, flexibility exercises you can learn by visiting a good physiotherapist nearby you. You can even come to us at Sukija Physiotherapy Clinic, Phase 10 Mohali. I have been working there. I can guide you well in case if you visit to me. Otherwise, even I provide online classes as well. You can subscribe my channel. You can write down any questions. I'll answer it back. Secondly, what you can do is some gardening, some cycling, and you can do is emails. While emails, what you can do, standing sometime and working on the laptop. When you are always on the calls, many IT professionals are always on the calls, 2 hour call, 1 hour call. So why to do like this? Why to do like this? Just wear some Bluetooth speakers. Okay, or you can walk along with your call time. Okay, you can go for some exercises along with your call so that you can listen also, and you can do some exercise also. Cycling is also good exercise. You can do cycling for your abdominal strength. You can use some Swiss ball activities. Swiss balls are very really very useful for gaining the strength at your abdomen and core. So you can just substitute some or the other changes, like instead of a chair I have to sit on a Swiss ball for some time. Okay, Swiss ball is increasing your balance as well. So there are many things. Your nutrition, timely have your food. Okay, sleep for 8 hours a day. If you're not sleeping properly, then also it will lead to stress. So why to welcome stress? You need to see to it that you are sleeping well, you are eating well. Okay, and you are following good posture care, your height of the table, your ergonomics, okay, where you are sitting. These all things are important. There are ergonomics is a big subject, where how to sleep, how to get up, how to walk, how to sleep, watch a TV. There are so many things in ergonomics. You can consult a physiotherapist to know whichever work you are doing the most. You get through the ergonomics, how to get up, how to go down, how to lift a baby, how to be walking while in pregnancy, what exercises are there in pregnancy, what exercises are there in sitting. There are too many things to be discussed. We can discuss it totally as per your need. I always go for some lectures and keep on teaching for awareness. In case you have any doubts, please get back to me. Okay. Just remember, while if you are using laptops for too long hours, you need to go for eyeball exercises. I already mentioned eyeball, 10 seconds up, hold. Common normal area, hold. Go down, hold. Go left, hold. Go right, hold. And then go in the center, hold. Like all the directions, left, right, up, down. You need to hold for 10 seconds and start with the center, end with the center. Once you hold for 10 seconds, only then your eyeball muscles will gain strength. Holding is important. Meditation is something which everyone can do. Breathing is something which everyone can do for the betterment of their mind, flexibility, little bit of breathing. Breathing muscle is the muscle with which you will live till your end. Why not to train it? Okay, training a breathing muscle is really, really very important. So, one who is doing meditation and breathing exercises will always have more patience level than other ones, more concentration level. To gain more concentration enhancement in your work efficiency, you should try for some breathing exercises. To know, have a knowledge of breathing exercises, keep on following me, because I have in my playlist, I have added breathing exercises. I have added back pain exercises, neck pain exercises. You can get back to my channel and subscribe this channel for more videos on the topics of your choice. You can even give me some needful things, like any questions in your mind. I'll answer it back very soon. And secondly, keep on lubricating your eyes. Use some proper glasses while using laptops for long durations. And having a check on your body. Okay, whether whatever you are doing, it should be a sense of easiness should be there in your body. If you are having pains, pain is not a problem. Pain is our friend. It tells us what is wrong going on. If somebody is having pain, only then he can just say no to that task. If the pain is not there, we will not get back. We will not know that this thing is getting back on our body. Therefore, pain tells us what we should not do. Don't go beyond your limits. While exercising as well, some people I have been acquainted with many people who are doing like yoga exercise. Also, they are just overstretching, overdoing their action just to gain more range. Don't overdo. It will come on its own if you keep on repeating. Repetitions in your normal range will welcome a new range very soon. Okay, so don't worry about the range, but worry about the repetitions. Have you been doing exercise every day or not? Have you been looking forward to your posture every day or not? Are you aware of when to visit a physiotherapist? In case if any pain, inflammation is there, you are having a sense of discomfort, then do visit a physiotherapist. A physiotherapist can make you more functional very soon. Don't delay it so that you need to go for any surgery, and surgery is associated with so many problems. In again, that with the surgery also you have to go for a post surgical physiotherapy. So why to prevent, why not to prevent all those? Okay, you can be okay without any surgery. Then just go for a muscular relaxation to prevent many surgeries. Okay, because surgeons also don't have any choice if you don't have any muscle strength. Okay, if you have too much of pains, your bones are here and there not in order, they have to go for any surgeries. So to prevent these surgeries, you need to go for a strengthening exercise protocol, for relaxation therapy protocols, for flexibility protocols, which a good physiotherapist can design for you. So uh, be aware of your body. Just listen to your body. If it is having pain, if it is having discomforts, visit soon to a good physio. Okay. And whenever we take bath, people take bath in very short seconds. I have to go to office meeting, I'll just bath in 2 minutes and I'm going. Why go in bathing in 2 minutes? Bathing is not meant only for cleanliness. Bathing is also meant for having a sense of touch. You start feeling your body. Okay, while even bathing, that will also be a good step to healthy exercise. Okay, whenever you're bathing, just touch your hands, your forearm, your body parts, feel that this is mine, thank God for that. Okay, and secondly, go for some stretches while touching your toes is one stretch exercise. Holding your hand like this, hand to hand touch, hand to hand touch. Okay, this can be done while bathing. Okay, so some of the things can be done in all through the day in short bits and parcels, so that if you don't have time at a stretch of 1 hour of exercise, then at least every 30 minutes to 1 hour you are doing some or the other exercise, light exercise, sometimes circles, sometimes marching, sometimes standing, sometimes walking, sometimes cycling. Okay, make sure that you exercise for some time in your full day of 24 hours. Give at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to your own body, so that you can relax, you can go for some outdoor games instead of computer games. Okay, there are virtual exercise also coming up these days. So there is so many things. Physiotherapy is getting updated from very it was confined to massage electrotherapy. People were thinking about it, but now these days there are too many things added up to the physiotherapy. So many strengthening exercises, so many virtual strengthening, water strengthening, aquatic exercises. There are vast exercises. Gynae physiotherapy is also evolved too much. People say that sometimes I have given them so much of relaxation, their life has changed, their partners are happy, they are enjoying their life, they are focusing more, concentration level increases, the depression reduced, they are focusing better. So how it came? Because they visited good physio, okay, at the right time. Just don't delay your pains. I have seen some patients come with mild pains, and some patients come, I have pain from 19 years, I have pain from 20 years. Why? Because they are not aware. This seminar, the purpose of the seminar is to make you aware that you can be better. Why to wait for 19 years? You can be better on the day one. Visit the physio on the day one. Don't delay your pains. Don't neglect yourself. If you are having problems, just visit a physio and keep on doing some exercises of your choice. I hope this seminar was a knowledgeable seminar for you all. Thank you for being with me. Thank you so much, and happy World Physiotherapy Day to all of you. May God bless you with flexibility, mobility, and good function. Your sitting jobs are no problem if you keep on doing some exercises, having good support, and doing a good protocol of exercises after every short period. Okay, so that you do not have any indigestion, any acidity, any problem associated with it. Your sitting job will give you comforts, your money, relaxation, happiness, good lifestyle. So you will be enjoying your sitting job if you go for few short breaks of exercise. Keep on doing exercise. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you. I'm ending up the session now. Just remember to subscribe this channel and be with me. Thank you so much.